everyone, it's Eleni from Makeup with Eleni. So I wanted to bring a fun unboxing to you today. It's Melt Cosmetics. I was talking about this amazing palette last week. It's called the Muerte palette and the Vida palette. This line is so gorgeous and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so first of all, look at this packaging. They are known for some wild, fun lippies to start. And then of course they have the incredible palettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I love the green packaging already. Okay, so we're gonna get into the colors. There is Angelito, which means angel. Lagrimas, which means tears. Hey, we're working with high school Spanish here. Duelo means mourning or grief. Love this navy color, so rich, so matte. And then here is Panteon, which is like, I think like cemetery or mausoleum. And then Noche Eterno. I want to say Noche Eternal, but it's really Noche Eterna. So, and that is like basically eternal night, rich, gorgeous royal blue, which I love, like so Greek, that color. And then Katrina, which is a skeleton figure translation, I want to say. I just really like these Spanish words rather than the English translation because it sounds kind of silly. We don't just say something like is a skeleton figure as a color, but look at that gorgeous color. It has like some vibrant metallic in that blue, which I really love, and then a nice beautiful matte burgundy in Velorio, which means wake, and then Sangre, which is, let's see, blood. So that's a beautiful rich matte color. So those two colors together are going to create such a gorgeous eye look. And then Corazon. If you don't know what corazon means, that means heart or my heart. And that is such a gorgeous, rich red color. Perfect matte. I can't wait to see what kind of Valentine's Day looks I can create with these colors right here. And then Calaca, which means like a skull. So as you can tell, like all of the Muerte palette has kind of dark names to it. I want to say that their inspiration came from Dia de los Muertos, like a Mexican holiday where they celebrate the dead, I believe, based on what I've learned through the years. But here we go. This palette is so gorgeous. I'm going to swatch it for you here in the next couple videos. Calaca is that shimmer right there, metallic shimmer. I'm really loving the shimmers. They're super soft and buttery at application. And then all the matte colors you see here, they're definitely matte. So all nude everything over here. I had to get this color. It's called nude. I want to say it's nude. N-O-O-D, nude. Anyways, it's really rich and creamy. It's like the perfect neutral nude lippy, especially if you want to smoke out those eyes with the Muerte palette. Love, love, love this so far. It smells really fresh and clean, and it's a really rich, creamy formula. I love it. This is really good. It's not drying. Super moisturizing. I'm going to check the ingredients and then I'll let you know. Okay, so here are the ingredients of the lipsticks. So you can see, for those of you who are very interested in what is in your products, I love to see that the makeup is made in the USA. Melt Cosmetics is out of Chatsworth, California, and it's owned by Laura Ariano. She is a pro makeup artist and she started out working at the makeup counter at Nordstrom's. She went on to do the makeup for Rihanna and so many more celebrities. She's extremely talented and I just love to see women in business going after their goals and creating their own makeup lines and just really making their mark aside from just doing their career. Hi everyone, it's Eleni Eleni from Makeup with Eleni. So I was so over pressing that button every single time and uploading, so I'm like, let me just go live here. So I wanted to get to the eyeliners and the lip liners. I'm doing the unboxing of the Melt Cosmetics by Laura Ariano. And so look at these creamy eyeliners. I'm a sucker for creamy, rich eyeliners. These eyeliners are made in Germany. This is a lip liner, which I'm going to try on for you. If you're jumping on, say hey. Let me know where you're watching from. Okay, so right here we have a dark brown color, which I color swatched. It is called Filth. What a name, Filth. So it's that dark brown color right there. And then the other color is this creamy, pearly white. And it's called Porcelina. Porcelina. Let me get my Spanish little accent going. And then this is Montauk, that beautiful blue color. Love it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to make it work with these gorgeous blue colors right here, like a royal blue and then like a shimmery blue. And then we have this gorgeous teal color. It is called 420. So let me tell you. Okay, so I was reading the back of the ingredients and I totally got freaked out for a second. And I thought it said like, this product contains cannabis. And I'm like, oh my God, I just put this on my body. It's gonna absorb into my body and then I'm gonna test dirty at work. I was like freaking out, okay? I need to slow my roll. It actually says this product does not contain cannabis. So I don't know, do you smoke weed? Are you like friendly with the cannabis? Let me know right here in the comments, because there's so many amazing products out there now with cannabis. So, you know, you have lotions, you have shampoos, you have like cosmetics, I'm sure, not these ones. And then there's just so many different things like cannabis oils and stuff to help with your back and to help with migraines and all these different remedies. So I think it's like mainstream in California and Colorado. Not so much yet in Arizona, but I totally support it. I think it's cool. If it helps you, awesome. Do what makes you feel good and helps you. So anyways, moving right along, I caught myself there and I was like having fun with that for a minute. So this is the all day everyday eyeliner from Melt Cosmetics. So now we're gonna get to the lip liner. This lip liner is called Jinx. So hot pink. I love pink. So we're gonna try it out. They're made in Germany. So I love it. Look at that color payoff. Okay, you got me on the lippies. For sure. I tried the nude, like all nude everything, nude lipstick from Melt Cosmetics, and I really like it. So they get like an A+ from me for lip liners. For eyeliners. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to talk and do this. Okay. It's kind of late, so if you're tuning on, you're probably catching this, you know, if you're in Europe or if you're East Coast or I don't know, wherever you are. If you're a late person, like a night owl, hello. I'm a late night person. Okay, so as soon as they hit the skin, they dry rather quickly. So you're gonna want to hurry up and like shut up and like apply it. Oh, lovely. Okay. Look at that. So pretty. Jinx. Okay, these are good. Check out those color swatches. We have the Muerte palette here. If you want to see more of the palette, more of the unboxing, head into the stories. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.